Hi everyone, Vanakkam, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making spicy South Indian style prawn curry. For this recipe, I'm using half a kilo of tiger prawns, thoroughly cleaned, deshelled and deveined. For the base of the curry, we need freshly grated onion or shallot, half a cup, 1 large tomato that I've freshly pureed. You will also need 1 tablespoon of freshly finely grated ginger and garlic. To make our curry nice and tangy, we will also need a tablespoon of tamarind extract. And of course, we need fresh coriander leaves, green chilies and curry leaves for garnish and cooking. Let's start with marinating our prawns. Half a teaspoon of freshly crushed black pepper, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of sesame seed oil. This is the Indian variety. Give it a nice mix and coat each prawns properly, and we'll let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. It's time, all our preparation is done. Let's get to the cooking. So the prawns are ready to go into the pan. It's been 15 minutes. We're going to shallow fry it on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to take it out and then we'll start with the base of the curry. So heat a pan or a wok on medium flame. For frying the prawns, we'll need 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil. This is the Indian variety. So now that we've fried our prawns, we'll remove it and keep it aside. And in the same pan with the heat low, we will add 1 more tablespoon of sesame seed oil. We'll add a few fenugreek seeds, 6 to 7, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and we'll break 1 whole red chili and fry for 2 to 3 seconds. We add in 1 sprig of curry leaves. Add in our freshly grated shallots. So on low flame, we will saute this for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger and garlic. Mix it and cook it for another 2 minutes. Along with the ginger garlic, we'll also add the stems of coriander. So sauteing for another 2 to 3 minutes or till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. Let's add 1 chili, green chili. So while the flame is still on low, let's add our masala. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of hot variety of red chili powder, very little cumin powder. Give it a good mix. Now we add in our tomato puree. Salt to taste. So keep stirring and cooking for another 2 minutes. So now that the oil has separated, we'll add in our prawns. So now we'll add 1 cup of water. Add 1 tablespoon of our tamarind pulp. So now this is not going to take too long to cook, just 3 to 4 minutes. So cover and cook on low flame for another 3 minutes. So our prawn curry is ready. Let's garnish this with curry leaves, coriander leaves, and some green chilies. Let's give this a final mix. Definitely give this a try, my go-to comfort food. And please do let me know in the comments how you liked it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye.